Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Hope you are doing well with your preparations. Today we are here to discuss GK questions, business affairs for TISSNET and CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous year paper there. It would be helpful for your exam. Recently we launched a CMAT crash course. So in that course it is included day-wise schedule covering all the important topics, and the price for CMAT crash course is rupees 1999. CMAT mocks is also available. It is rupees 299. Along with that, we are having TISSNET mocks as well for rupees 299. Link is given in description. Please do visit and enroll for these packages for your better practice. Let's check the first question. Which of the following companies became India's first lender to exclusively list $1 billion AT1 bond in IFSC? The correct answer is D, HDFC Bank. Let's check the next question. Amazon launched its first digital Kendra in which city in India? The correct answer is C, Surat. So, Chief Minister Vijay Rupani virtually inaugurated the digital Kendra. Let's check the next question. Tata Sons Private Limited acquired 100% stake of Air India for? The correct answer is E, 18,000 crore. Let's check the next question. Who among the following was awarded with the Business Reformer of the Year award in February 2021 at the Economic Times Award for Corporative Excellence? The correct answer is B, Shaktikant Das. Let's check the next question. Which of the following is the name of the app launched by Life Insurance Company of India for the exclusive use of its development officers? The correct answer is A, Pragati. Full form of Pragati is Performance Review Application Growth and Trend Indicator. So the full form of Pragati is Performance Review Application, Growth and Trend Indicator. Let's check the next question. Which company among the Indian corporates has topped the World's Best Employer 2021 ranking by Forbes? The correct answer is B, Reliance Industry. Reliance is placed as 52nd position among 750 global corporates. Let's check the next question. Sandeep Bakshi was reappointed as MD and CEO of which bank? The correct answer is B, ICICI Bank. So he is appointed on 15th October 2021 till 3rd October 2023. Let's check the next question. Name the initiative launched by Delhi government in August 2021 to increase Delhi's per capita income equivalent to Singapore. The correct answer is E, Delhi at the rate 2047. Let's check the next question. Who has been recently appointed as the global brand ambassador for Adidas Women's Sports? The correct answer is D. Deepika Padukone. Let's check the next question. Which company among the following launched as automated fueling technology called UFill? The correct answer is D. BPCL. BPCL is Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Let's check the next question. Who was recently appointed as chairman to the board of Bharat Pay? The correct answer is C. Rajneesh Kumar. He is appointed in October 2021. Let's check the next question. Which company among the following acquired 40% stake in designer Manish Malhotra's Styles? The correct answer is B. Reliance Industry Limited. Let's check the next question. Who among the following won the 2021 C.K. Prahlad Award for Global Business Sustainability Leadership? The correct answer is D. Microsoft Team. Let's check the next question. Which app has got a green signal from National Payment Corp of India to launch its UPI payments system of Indian users? The correct answer is D. WhatsApp. Let's check the next question. Kerala has been in which position in the country to successfully undertake ease of doing business reform stipulated by the Department of Expenditure, Ministry of Finance? So the correct answer is D. 8th. So the state has become eligible to mobilize additional financial resources of rupees 2373 crore through open market borrowings. Through open market borrowings. Let's check the next question. Who is the CEO of Paytm? The correct answer is A. Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Let's check the next question. Which brand uses the slogan "Because you are worth it"? The correct answer is B. L'Oreal. So this tagline is originated in 1971 when the L'Oreal needed to convince consumers to spend more in their products, and the slogan has been translated in 40 languages. Let's check the next question. Which Indian businessman was the first one who found on the cover story of Forbes magazine? The correct answer is B. Azim Hassan Premji. Let's check the next question. Match the company names with their CEOs. The correct answer is B. So, Apple CEO is Tim Cook. YouTube CEO is Susan Wojcicki. Bajaj Auto CEO is Rajiv. And Railway Board CEO is Suneet Sharma. So, Vinod Kumar is the ex-CEO of Railway Board. Now, the Railway Board CEO is Suneet Sharma. Let's check the next question. Who issues paper currency or special drawing rights to the member countries? The correct answer is C. International Monetary Funds. So, IMF, that is International Monetary Funds, created in 1969. Hope the video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.